Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 7th to the 13th. And a lot of us got these two boosters, a 4-back on 2 dental care. This is online only, and a 10-back when you spend $40. If you look into the fine print of the 10-back when you spend $40, it's from the 7th right till the end of the year, and it's a multi-use. We will have to double, triple check if this is in fact true. Both of my cards got this. And if this is in fact true, this is our Christmas and birthday gift wrapped up into one. And I'm pretty excited by it, especially if you don't get a lot of boosters like my main card. I haven't gotten boosters in a while, so this is fantastic. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you even have the hype button, consider pressing it to ensure that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. You guys rock. Thank you so much. And please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published tomorrow morning, which is Sunday the 7th. So all these deals will begin on Sunday the 7th right till the 13th for all the new shoppers out there. That is the sales cycle over at Walgreens. Okay, we also have a couple different coupon codes that'll be working next week in concert with curbside orders, so we'll definitely throw that in the back pocket. And then lots of cosmetics and hair care is on clearance right now, so IBOTTA dropped these two with a limit of up to one time for CoverGirl with $4 back. You might want to see what's in clearance at your store to get $8 back. How awesome is that? The first super duper deal of the week is the 88-cent Walgreens food storage bags. These are very similar to Ziploc of a quality. This is all we use in our house. But a quick little scenario for you guys. Grabbing 5 of these, it's $5, or pardon me, grabbing 6 of these, it is $5.28. If you want to use $5 in Walgreens cash, you'd pay 28 cents for 6 of these. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But, you know, for any sort of food storage in the fridge, or if you're working with a bunch of different cookie dough for your baking, these are absolutely fantastic. Another deal that's really great is with the Head & Shoulders hair care, $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. This is one of these items. If you look at this pink Head & Shoulders, it's called Silk and Smoothie. Ask for a price check because it's 50% off here in Michigan at many stores. And the register reward is in fact printing with a lot of this clearance merchandise, but grabbing 2 on clearance, it would be $8.98. Subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $5.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents for a Head & Shoulders. This is the time to stock up because this stuff is not cheap. It's a good quality shampoo. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Okay, another super deal this week is with the Tresemme shampoo at $6. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of these Tresemmes, probably the shampoos, it's going to be $12. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per unit. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. But if you wanted to do this in a $40 basket, that $12 would be a large part of your basket. So why not? I think I'm considering that tomorrow. And the Listerine at $6.99. $3 reward when you buy 2. We're a Listerine household and we don't get a lot of deals on this. So grabbing 2 of the smaller ones, it would be $13.98. Getting back a $3 register reward, it's $10.98 for the 2. I know this is a little bit out of pocket, but if you wanted to throw this in a booster deal, it would be a part of it. Just a thought, because I know we don't get a lot of deals and a lot of us need Listerine. Especially if you've had dental issues. But if you're going to do this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And double, triple check IBOTTA, digital coupons, if there might be something for you, that might be nice. And we also have more dental care deals. The $5 Crest or Oral-B. $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these Magics, it's going to be $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Spend it to earn that register reward. And check IBOTTA in case Crest might have a rebate for us. The $5 Hello toothpaste, it's on, buy two, get back a $4 register reward with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. This is one of these toothpastes. We get it really cheap a couple times a year. So if you want to make this one happen, make it happen. Two of these Hellos will be $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you don't like fluoride in your toothpaste, or if you can't have it, this is a really good deal. And the last deal we're looking at, I forgot to do this the week previous, the soft soap Irish Spring and the hand soap, which is the really large container. Grabbing two of these for $11.98. Subtracting that 4 off 2, you're going to pay $7.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the two, or $2.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you want to stock up on those larger hand soaps, this is the week to do it. Okay, so now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions, and the first is the 4 for $10, or $2.50 for the Bounce Dryer Sheets Downy, Febreze, Mr. Clean, Tide Simply. It makes it $2.50 per product, especially those dryer sheets. I really need to stock up on those. So go and make some deals happen, guys, because this is not a bad one at all. $10 Walgreens gift card when you buy $50 in toys, games, or plushes. A lot of you that are buying toys for your kids, you might want to consider Walgreens with this one. And we also have the 2 for $8 on the Reese's Christmas trees, the Hershey's Dove Mars candy, lots of them for $4. It was $3.99 the week previous, so a penny more. If you need to stock up on chocolate, this might be the store to go to. 25% off on the Starbucks holiday gift sets. So a product that's $9.99 would be like $7.50, so not bad. And 25% off the Gillette Old Spice personal care holiday gift sets. So we've seen a lot of them drop down to like $7.49. Hopefully we'll get some great digital coupons. Wouldn't that be great? And $10 Dove holiday sets. Meijer the week previous dropped a $5 digital coupon for these, making them $5. There's not a single one left in store. Will Walgreens do the same? That's the question. I would love it if they would. And lots of these different drinks, 3 for $15.99, buy 2, get 2 for free, 2 for $6 on the Lay's chips. So if you are getting ready for a Christmas party and you want to just buy a couple items for different aspects of your party, Walgreens is definitely the place. And in case you missed it yesterday, I did a Bath & Body Works haul of the candles I bought for Candle Day. Candle Day continues until Sunday, December the 7th, where like a $27 candle is down to $9.95, some tremendous savings. Watch yesterday's video if you're curious about these candles, and they're definitely worth it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.